YouTubers, I think this is a good one.
All right, YouTubers, it's time to start cooking again in the awesome NuWave Mini. Piece of aluminum foil, put it on the bottom. Makes cleanup easier for this. We got the rack, put the rack in. Pam, again to make cleanup easier. And now we're gonna open up this pork roast. Oh, you can smell it. It smells good already. All right, there we go. And the card says oven at 375. Again, this only goes to 350 for 27 to 32 minutes a pound. The awesome little cheat card tells you for pork, tenderloins. It says frozen, 20 minutes aside. I have said this before. Been using the NuWave Mini and the full-size one for a while now. They are very optimistic, almost unrealistic on cook times. So I always cook a little bit longer. You're gonna have to play it by ear. A meat thermometer will be helpful for you. And yeah, so we're gonna start this off. Plug it in. Not gonna make you watch a lot of it, but cook time will start with 20 minutes. And away it goes. All right. That's 25 minutes in. I think this is gonna take the better part. This is gonna probably take an hour and 15, hour and 20 minutes. But we're gonna flip it now. It's beautiful. I need to take a picture. No, I'll take a picture later. It's beautiful. It smells fantastic. Woke Vinny up. And as I said, we'll do another 25 minutes. And away it goes. That's right, Vinny. Stop. Okay. So we're at 50 minutes. All right, sometimes it starts recording and then stops after like 5 seconds. So we're at 50 minutes. I'm going to do it on its side. Oh, maybe, if it'll cooperate. And I'm gonna give it like 10 minutes on each side for both sides, and then we'll come back and check how it's doing. But I'm not gonna show you all the cooking. You flip it, you cook it, you flip it, you cook it, and then you check to make sure that it's cooked enough. All right, so like I said, cook time 10 minutes. And away it goes. Hope there's enough light. That's what happens. All right. Again, I'll flip it a couple times and I'll show you a product. But NuWave Mini, awesome, awesome, awesome. Love my NuWave Mini. This is the newest one I picked up at the thrift store. That's getting gifted to somebody, but once it gets there, it might still smell like wonderful pork tenderloin. Alrighty. So that is good. Doesn't that look good? Hopefully that looks good. All right, I think that looks beautiful. I like a little crisp to it. Still got steam coming off it. I don't know if it's catching it. And the aluminum foil helps a lot with all the drip because it'll bake on there pretty well. So you just round that up. And you saw the picture I took. I thought I was recording, but I only took picture. Because this is a weird shape, I just wadded up some aluminum foil to try to make it level.
Just kind of propped it up.
All right, but like I said, now we're gonna wait a little bit before I cook the rest. And we got a thermometer. Meat thermometer.
Good guess. This was an hour and 20 minutes.
Still rising. It was 1.5 pounds, so that's probably a little on the long side for some people. Yeah, it's cooked through. It's good. But that's how I like it. So now we're done for now, and I will move this out of the way and then I'll cook the next thing here in a little bit. But I basically wanted to pre-start this. I'll cook what's going with it and then warm up the part of this I'm gonna eat. All right, so until later for me, And in about 3 seconds for you, we'll be back and I'll cook the rest of dinner. I'm gonna cook this macaroni and cheese. Normally not something I eat a lot of. This is smoked Gouda, and this is from Aldi's, imported from Italy. And normally I also like show you doing this, but basically you boil water and you mix it in and you make macaroni and cheese. I'm not gonna bother you with it. I'm also not gonna bother you when it's leftovers, when it's the rest of this. And then Aldi's had another brand. This is truffle and porcini mushroom. So that will be tomorrow's meal. Also imported from Italy. I love my NuWave Mini, and I really like the things you can find at Aldi. All right, so those are done. I'm gonna unplug this. Try to move stuff around. Hold on a second. GoPro, stop recording. All right, I'm telling you, a small RV is a challenge. So what we're gonna do with this is, I got the tongs. I'm gonna cut it down. And again, I cooked this a while ago. It's rested for close to an hour, I would guess. Hold on. It smells fantastic. I wish you could smell it. Keep lobbying YouTube for smell-o-vision. This is a struggle. We'll get it though. Let's do one more. Let's get one more cut right down the center. Still pretty tender actually, even after it's chilled.
So trying not to dirty a cutting board.
So, oops, stay on there you. As we're arranging this, hopefully in the camera view, get the lid. And again, I'll put that back on there. Plug this sucker in. And I'm just gonna give it 3 minutes. And we'll get some other stuff situated. All right, as that is continuing on, I'm gonna get some of the mac and cheese on there. Oh, I stole one and it's good. My microwave is always a great place to put stuff. All right, I got the rest of my lettuce, so we'll have a salad with it. Probably have an apple later for dessert, but it's not getting cut up in here. Some of this nice raspberry vinaigrette. Yum. Ooh, we're winning. We are winning. There's a couple nice pieces. All right, let's eat. All right, we're gonna try this. I got the tripod like wrapped around my knee. And we'll try it again because it doesn't want to work. There's the mac and cheese. And Aldi does a nice job. That's good. Imported from Italy, they got it right. Salad. I like that dressing too. All right, let's cut some of this. There's the pork. I think that looks pretty good, don't you? Oh yeah, nice. That turned out really very good, YouTubers. Checked it with the meat thermometer, and it's really good. Hope you enjoyed. We'll do a flyover. There we go. Good looking stuff. And a salad too. Have a great and wonderful day.